Hello everybody. So for today's battle we have two L-Dragos, Lightning L-Drago 100 HF and Meteo L-Drago LW105 LF. Whoever wins 3 times will win this battle. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And Lightning L-Drago wins this round because Meteo L-Drago has knocked out. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Whoa. And Meteo L-Drago wins this round. 3, 2, 1, let it go. 3, 2, 1, let it go. And this time it's Meteo L-Drago with 2 points. 3, 2, 1, let it go. 3, 2, 1, let it go. And this time it is Lightning L-Drago. So both of them are now with 2 points. 3, 2, 1, let it go. 3, 2, 1, let it go. And the winner is Meteo L-Drago with 3 points. So congratulations, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching and subscribe.